Why I'm not publishing screen recording video, why I'm not publishing testnet airdrop video. So could you imagine it? Could you write down on comment why I'm doing it? So I will show you totally live way that what is the problem with me today that is causing me to not publishing video about airdrop testnet, newest airdrop testnet. So if I go to my telegram, you already knows that my data is on. Okay, so if I go to my telegram, here is everything, just connecting, network problem. Okay, so anyhow, in my country now is situation slightly terrible. Okay, therefore it is doing, but very soon it will be solved. Okay, so nearly 6 days I have not been doing publishing video. So sorry for those type of situations that happening. Maybe it's cost of mine. Anyhow, so very soon I'm going to show you the newest testnet airdrop video that you are going to see. Okay, so stay tuned. You are able to use internet. I'm not. Okay, so therefore, okay, stay with this wrong offense. So very soon I am going to choose a guy who can publish airdrop video in our channel, where if I get this type of terrible problem like not having internet or staying busy with other tasks, so during that time that guy can publish latest airdrop post. They are slightly knowledgeable about latest and updated airdrop testnet. So if you are one of them, just contact with me. I will select you for curating content. I will select in my channel, you know I will select you manager, okay, in my channel, and um, you can record video within your means, like your way, and you can put your link that has inside of the description box, and you can do in channel whatever you want. Okay, but you need to, end of the day, you need to do help a lot of the time. You need to research, you need to be ahead of those who will watch your video. Okay, so if you are one of them watch video, airdrop testnet better than all of us. So write down comment, I will select for you to publishing video in our channel. Okay, wrong of finance. So here is your situation. You are seeing that networks, they did postpone, they did reject, slightly turn off. So sorry for this type of situation. Very soon it will be solved. Okay, it's doing work for that. Government is doing working. Very soon it will be solved. So uh, today's conversation was just hiring a guy who can work free. Okay, inside of here, just knowing about how to airdrop does work, how YouTube does work, this type of stuff, and I will help you. If you are tired at that time, I will cover video. Okay, just we will do help each other. Okay, so if you are those guy, please contact with me. Everything has in the description box for reach out to me. So if you are those guy that I am saying, as the if you have this type of if you have ability to knowing airdrop as well as share those airdrop in channel, feel free to contact with me. Okay, very soon I'm going to meet with you.